Welcome back. In this video, we're making cookies and cream cinnamon rolls. First up, buttercream frosting. Into a stand mixer, unsalted butter, beat on high speed for 5 to 6 minutes, or until light and fluffy. Then add powdered sugar, a little bit at a time. Pour in whole milk, and there's our filling. Into milk, that's around 105 degrees, 1 packet of active dry yeast, and sugar. Bloom for 10 to 20 minutes. Into a stand mixer, the yeast mixture, 2 large eggs, flour, black cocoa powder, and salt. On low speed, pour in unsalted butter, increase the speed to medium, and continue mixing for another 1 to 2 minutes. Into a greased bowl it goes, cover, and proof for 2 hours at room temperature. Once it has doubled in size, into the refrigerator it goes overnight. Roll out your dough, cut into a square, spread unsalted butter over the surface, sprinkle with cinnamon sugar, mark every 2 inches, and then cut into strips. Roll them up. In the end, they should look something like this. Place into pie tins. These will proof for 1 more hour. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. To finish, a buttercream frosting, and there we have it, cookies and cream cinnamon rolls. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.